Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have a bit of a special video for you guys. It is about the delivery of my 2019 RSV4 1100 factory. A bit of a backstory for this video. Back in 2019 I was looking for a motorcycle because that was the year I had just gotten my UAE motorcycle license. And when looking for the motorcycle, I came across the RSV4 1100 factory. I think that was the first year Aprilia came out with a 1078cc RSV4 motorcycle. So I was really into this motorcycle. I went and saw it at the official dealer here in the UAE, which was Society Motors. I took a look at it, but the only problem was that I couldn't afford it at the time, because it costed around $25,000. That's how I ended up buying the MV Agusta F3 back then. I think the MV was only 15,000 and that was well within the budget. And Aprilia, I had to keep that dream aside for the time being. So what ended up happening was that Society Motors, the official dealer, had brought in two RSV4 1100 factories in 2019, and one of my very close friend, he ended up purchasing the first one here in the UAE. So the video is all about him taking delivery of that motorcycle back in 2020 July. So he invited me, I went with him. Him and his brother came and took delivery of the motorcycle. I took a bunch of videos of the motorcycle and the showroom, and there was even an RSV4X over there. It was a very fun experience. After taking delivery of the motorcycle, immediately my friend put a bunch of aftermarket parts in it. You can see a lot of parts in the video, and eventually he ended up adding an aftermarket exhaust and everything. And also, so my friend used the RSV4 1100 factory for around 1.5 years. And when the newer shape, the newer model came out, he ended up buying that one as well. And he has a bunch of Ducatis also. He's a big collector of motorcycles. He has around 8-9 Ducatis, and most of them are numbered special edition motorcycles. So this one came up for sale in 2022, and what ended up happening was that he offered me a very good price and I ended up buying this. So that was the year I had sold my MV Agusta and I didn't have any motorcycle, so I ended up purchasing this motorcycle from him in February of 2022. That's my friend's brother taking delivery of the motorcycle. Now he's gonna start it. So the motorcycle from the factory itself is producing 214 bhp on the crank. So what my friend ended up doing was he added aftermarket full exhaust from Spark, and he had a custom tune on it, and the motorcycle ended up producing 203 bhp on the wheels after tuning. So it was a very fun, very fast, very aggressive motorcycle. I enjoyed riding it. I had the motorcycle for around 2 years, so from 2022 Feb I had it till 2024 June. So in that time frame I had driven it a lot. I enjoyed it, but the only thing was that I never took any videos of me riding that motorcycle. But it was a very fun and very good motorcycle to own. I loved that motorcycle. When I got the motorcycle, it already had like $10,000 worth of aftermarket upgrades done to it, and like I said, my friend gave me a really good deal on that motorcycle, so that's how I ended up owning it. Like I mentioned, I had it for like 2.5 years, and in that time it was a very good motorcycle, because I never had any issues with it other than the regular maintenance I had to do on it. I never had to spend a penny on it. So I once changed the tires, once changed the brake pads. Other than that, I had to do 2 oil services. That's pretty much it. Other than that, I never had to spend a dime on that motorcycle. So it was, I don't know what it is about Aprilias that give them a bad rap, but for me, in my experience, it was a very solid, very reliable and very fun motorcycle. It performed like crazy. You will not believe how much power it had. And I had once tried to do a top speed run on it. I ended up doing, I think, 311 kph on it. But I know for a fact that without the mirrors, if I had taken off the mirrors, it will do even faster, because my friend has done 329 kph on it. But for me, seeing 300 itself was more than enough. So 311 was, I was very happy with that, and I never did that again. That was like a very stupid thing to do. I wouldn't recommend anyone try that. Okay. But yeah, it was a very fun motorcycle. I am in no capacity very professional rider. I'm a very amateur rider, so I'm not gonna try and give you guys a review of the motorcycle. All I'm gonna say is that it was a very fun, fast and very reliable motorcycle, and I had fun with it. And eventually I ended up selling it because I wanted to move on to something else. So that will be probably my next video. So what I ended up getting after selling the Aprilia was my dream car. It has always been a Toyota Supra. So I recently got a Mark 5 Supra. So I'll be making a video of it soon. So if you guys want to see of that video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, so that you will get notified when I upload that video also. And if you guys want to know anything about this particular Aprilia, that also you can let me know. From my experience, whatever I know, I will let you guys know. Now for the sad news about the motorcycle, a friend of mine eventually bought the motorcycle, like I said, and within a few months of owning it, he ended up in an accident. And as you can see in the pictures, I don't think the insurance is gonna approve all the repairs on it, because with the value of the motorcycle, it's probably gonna be a write-off. So yeah, that's where we are at the moment. So I'm not really sure what's gonna happen with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back with another video soon, and I'll see you on that one. Bye.